Mastering the first conditional passive. Enhance your English. Hello, English language learners. Welcome to another exciting video on grammar fundamentals. Today we're diving deep into a specific topic, the first conditional passive. This grammar concept might sound complicated, but don't worry. We'll break it down together, step by step. The first conditional, also known as the real conditional, refers to situations that are likely to happen in the future. These sentences often express a strong possibility that the condition will occur. For example, if it rains, I will stay at home. In this sentence, it rains is the condition. The result, I will stay at home, is what will happen if the condition is met. The passive voice is used when the focus is on the action, not who or what is performing the action. For example, the book was read by John. In this sentence, the action, read, is emphasized more than the person who did it, John. Now, let's combine these two concepts to form the first conditional passive. This is used when we want to focus on an action that will happen in the future if a condition is met, without emphasizing who or what performs the action. To form the first conditional passive, we use if plus subject plus present simple will be plus past participle. Here's an example. If the document is sent, it will be received by the manager. In this sentence, the action, be received, will happen in the future if the condition, the document is sent, is met. Now, let's try a few more examples together. Remember, practice makes perfect. 1. If the cake is baked, it will be eaten by the children. 2. If the report is written, it will be reviewed by the boss. 3. If the clothes are washed, they will be dried by the sun. Try to form your own sentences using the first conditional passive. Well done, everyone. You've just mastered the first conditional passive. It might have seemed tricky at first, but with practice, it becomes much more intuitive. Remember, the key is understanding the condition and focusing on the action. Keep practicing, and soon this will feel like second nature. Happy learning!